And I would invite anybody that obviously has specific questions about their specific situation to contact you, and of course you can consult with them. Stephanie, is there anything else you want to add or talk about or share? The table is yours.
I just, I think that it's important that people understand that, we're living in a time right now where things are crazy, and you never know when you're going to get sick or your parents are going to get, and so it's time to act is now. It's not next month. It's not, when I get around to it. I think right now is the time to do it. Make sure your affairs are in order, because you just don't know. Like I said, car accident, anything can happen. And now we have the coronavirus and people are getting sick, and we just got to be prepared. And you want to make sure that you have somebody that can advocate for you if you can't. And being clear about what your wishes are. If you're end stage cancer, do you want life-sustaining treatments to keep you alive? Those kinds of things are very important. If you don't want to be on all these feeding tubes and breathing machines for extended periods of time. Without doing your documents, it does require your loved ones to have to go to court and file for conservatorships, and they may have to. Sorry, my dog's barking.
No problem.
Anyway, it's just a really good idea to do some pre-planning and make sure that
Yeah.
I think that's my biggest message.
Well, how does the public go about contacting Horizon Elder Law, contacting you? How do they get an appointment? Can they physically come in to meet with you and Julie, or how is that working in these days?
We do some in-person meetings with precautions and everything. We also do a lot of Zoom calls, and we're more than happy to do that, just to keep everybody safe. Julie has met some people in person. We do notarize and we sign documents in person and things like that. And you can visit our website. It's horizonlawca.com. And all of our contact information is on there, and there's tons of information on the website about what we do and how we can help and all of those things. Our phone number is 925-244-1185. We have an awesome team. Cassie is our client services director, and she kind of is our main hub of, she kind of makes sure everything, works smoothly for the whole office. She makes sure Julie's calendar is seamless and everybody gets taken care of on time. So Cassie's an awesome resource. I'm back up to Cassie when she's but yeah, she's our primary person that helps out.
You do have an awesome office, and I could tell that the people that work there enjoy working there.
Yeah.
And it just, the whole environment is positive, and the information that Julie provides for the clients, I think it's absolutely unparalleled in this area, and you're located in San Ramon. But again, I've never met an attorney that has a medical background or registered nurse in the case of Julie. And again, I believe that adds a whole other element to the discussion, a whole other level of service. And I just want to thank you, Stephanie, for taking the time. And I know you're busy. I know you have family and lots of stuff going on. And I really appreciate this. And I'm looking forward to, at some point, visiting your office once again. And we'll make sure that this information goes out. And I know you'll get calls. And again, for anybody that's watching this, thank you for taking the time to watch this. And if you have any questions about your real estate, the property's value, what you would clear from the sale of your house, different housing options if you're thinking about going to senior living, if you're thinking about maybe downsizing to a smaller home. If you want to discuss your housing options, if you're thinking about renting your home, call me, Jeffkatz, 707-845-2541. My website is called jeffkatzhomes.com, and there's a lot of great resources on there. Horizon elder law, downsizing specialists, information on reverse mortgages, information on different senior communities around the area. So it's a really good resource. Again, Stephanie, thank you for your time. And if you'll stick around for just a few more minutes, love to chat with you a little bit more, okay?